start without any stop. The territory other than the Supreme Court of India means the territories to which this code extends. Inquiry means every inquiry other than a trial conducted under this code by a magistrate or court. Investigation includes all the proceedings under this code for the collection of evidence conducted by a police officer or by any person other than a magistrate who is authorized by a magistrate. In this behalf, judicial proceeding includes any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. Local jurisdiction in relation to a court or magistrate means the local area within which the court or magistrate may exercise all or any of its or his powers under this code, and I and such local area may comprise the whole of the state or any part of the state, as the state government may by notification specify. Metropolitan area means the area declared or deemed to be declared under section 8 to be a metropolitan area. Non-cognizable offence means an offence for which and non-cognizable case means a case in which a police officer has no authority to arrest without warrant. Notification means a notification published in the official gazette. Offence means any act or omission made punishable by any law for the time being in force, and includes any act in respect of which a complaint may be made under section 20 of the Cattle Trespass Act 1871 (1) of 1871 clause. Officer in charge of a police station includes when the officer in charge of the police station is absent from the station house or unable from illness or other cause to perform his duties. When used with reference to any proceeding in any court means a person authorized by or under any law for the time being in force to practice in such court, and includes any other person appointed. The permission of the court to act in such proceeding. Police report means a report forwarded by a police officer to a magistrate under subsection 2 of section 173. Police station means any post or place declared generally or specially by the state government to be a police station, and includes any local area specified by the state government. In this behalf, prescribed means prescribed by rules made under this code. Public prosecutor means any person appointed under section 24, and includes any person acting under the directions of a public prosecutor. Subdivision means a subdivision of a district. Summons case means a case relating to an offence and not being a warrant case. Victim means a person who has suffered any loss or injury caused by reason of the act. The criminal investigation process and prosecution mechanism in India can be started in any of the following manner: on complaint reporting knowledge of the commission of a cognizable offence, any police officer, even without the orders of a magistrate, can investigate the cognizable case. Section 156 (1) of the CRPC. In case of failure or inaction of a police officer to investigate a cognizable offence, a criminal complaint can be filed before a magistrate under section 190 of CRPC for taking cognizance of such offence, and on such complaint the magistrate himself can take cognizance of the case and do the inquiry, or in the alternative under section 156 (3) of the CRPC, order police to register an FIR and investigate the offence. In case of non-cognizable offence, police is not obliged to investigate and the judicial process can be started by filing a criminal complaint before the competent court under section 190 of the CRPC. This article is written by Dignath Raj Sehgal, student, School of Law, Charist University, Bangalore. The author in this article has discussed the scope and extent of Article 12 of the Constitution of India and its importance. Under Article 12, the control of the government does not necessarily means the body must be under the absolute direction of the government. It merely means that the government must have some form of control over the functioning of the body. Just because a body is a statutory body does not mean that it is state. Both statutory as well as non-statutory bodies can be considered as a state if they get financial resources from the government and the government exercises a deep pervasive control over it. For example, state includes Delhi Transport Corporation ONGC and electricity boards but does not include NCRT as neither is it substantially financed by the government nor is the government's control pervasive. The test laid down in the case of Ajay Hasia is not rigid and therefore if a body falls within them then it must be considered to be a state within the meaning of Article 12. It was discussed in the case that whether in the light of the cumulative facts as established the body is financially, functionally and administratively dominated by or under the control of government. Such control must be particular to the body in question and must be pervasive. Article 12 of the Constitution does not specifically define judiciary. This gives the judicial authorities the power to pronounce decisions which may be contravening to the fundamental rights of an individual if it was taken into the head of state. Over.